Amazing. I hope you can hear me and you can see the screen. Can I confirm that? Can you guys hear me and you can see the screen?
Yes, yes.
Amazing. Thank you so much. All right. So let's start our career challenge introduction. My name is Emilie. Maybe most of you, like I'm set today for the career challenge. But yeah, I'll be delivering this career challenge, I think, even for the next week. So today our career challenge is LinkedIn profile optimization, and it's week 11. So without further ado, let me just go ahead. So why do we need LinkedIn? Or maybe at first hand, what is LinkedIn so far? What's LinkedIn? So when someone says like you need to open up LinkedIn profile, what is it and why do you need to do that? So the LinkedIn is the world's largest online professional networking platform, and also it hosts the profiles of more than 1 billion users in more than 200 countries and territories worldwide. And then LinkedIn serves as a recruiting tool for employers, also serves as a job tool for users. That means like if you want a job, if you want to get employed, LinkedIn is a professional networking platform for you to get a job, for you to be employed, for you to reach out to people, for you to network and gain network in different perspective, in different settings, in different countries. As it says here, it hosts almost 1 billion, not almost, like more than 1 billion users. Yeah. So why do you need LinkedIn per se? Your LinkedIn profile is an important part of your job search process. And it's a key platform for applications, key platform for employers review, key platform for professional networking opportunities. Then your LinkedIn profile should have at least, or should be at least authentic, should at least attract the attention of the right people. You should be able to make your LinkedIn profile, like to be able to attract the right people to you. Maybe if you want to be employed, if your goal is to get a job, then your LinkedIn profile should be attracting like employers. If you need like networking or maybe learning or getting more skills, then you should also build your LinkedIn profile to attract those specific people that you want to visit your profile to know. Then it also should be accurate and consistent with your CV and portfolio. So that means like your name's information in the CV should also be the same information on your LinkedIn as well. It should be current. You should be updating your LinkedIn profile and meet like the current updates and everything. And then you should have all sections complete and well prepared. We're gonna see like which section and everything. And then should also be well prepared. Like that. This means you should also find someone, maybe check through your LinkedIn, maybe fit for you if this is right or this is wrong or something. If there's anything, maybe they can add on, or maybe any recommendation about your LinkedIn. Yeah, I hope we're together. Yes. So going forward, let's see like what matters, like how is your LinkedIn profile should look like, or maybe how is the LinkedIn profile look like the good one, the recommended one. So we have this part here. If you see this part, this is like the example of the profile, but here's things that you should have. This is the top matters that shouldn't be missing in your profile, LinkedIn profile. Your LinkedIn profile should have a professional picture, like a very professional picture, because it's a platform, it's a professional platform. Then it should have names as in your CV. It should have ideal headline, job title, value proposition, and tools that you use. Your profile should also be more designed and well, like good looking, as you can see here. And then it's optional if you do not have any prior experience, but you can also use some words like aspiring or seeking and things like that. There's also checking other boxes, locations and contacts. Like there's also where you should also put your location, your code, and everything. You're gonna see that in the challenge document. I've got something like a hand raised or a question. The screen is black. Is it black to everyone? Jacob Bizila, you can see the screen? Let me confirm, please. Okay, let me try. But is it the same to the rest as well, to other people? They can see the screen. It's clear now, right? I want to Simon, like, can you see the screen? Okay, it's visible. I think maybe it's your network, Jacob. You may check. Amazing. Let's go ahead. I was also telling you, like, you should also check other boxes like location, contacts, for you to be able to include everything on your profile. Then one more thing here, you should also ensure that your LinkedIn profile includes the 50 words summary. You don't need to put like a lot of things because there's no one who's going to read. If you can see here this person, like the example of our LinkedIn profile that we have, you can see the about. A junior generative AI engineer with foundation in computer engineering, including like this. It should be at least 50-word summary, then details about the skills, platforms, and tools that you are proficient with. Then you should also consider using active voice and ensure proper use of tense, grammatical accuracy. As you can see here, like your LinkedIn should be like it's a professional platform that represents you out there with employers, with professionals, with different people or around. Yeah. So you should also ensure that your LinkedIn profile is consistent with your CV. Like it should look like your CV, like every information is really the same. Then have at least 3 roles and the relevant work experience. Should also at least can list complete employment history, including any experience, volunteer, anything that you have done as an experience, presented in the form of an overview that adheres to focus rule, achieved as X and measured by Y, and doing that. We're going to see this in the challenge document. Yeah. Should also ensure that your profile is consistent with your CV. The names, the dates should be included. The GPA, this is optional. You should also add your skills that you've gained. Maybe in case you have this experience, maybe I'm the AI engineer at this place. This is the skills I've gained, blah, 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 like that. Enable also to show the school in your intro, the button for 10 Academy education to appear on the top of your profile. For example, we've been taking this training for 12 weeks. So if you update your school, you should enable the show school in your intro for you to be able to, like, for us to be able to see a school, the university, anything about your education. Yeah. Ensure also clear and concise title for each project. You should put your project title well to be seen and to be readable and understood. Then describe each project, detailing the problems you address, the models, the algorithms you developed, and the results of your work. List the key skills and tools employed during the project, and also add a link to the project page. Yeah, this is the part of the project. And then here, the part of education. We have talked about the part of experience, about where you should detail the skills, the platform and tools and everything. And then when it comes to the last part here, it's a disclaimer. As you start creating or editing your experience and education, please turn off the notification until you are ready to launch. All your connections will be notified about everything or everything you have changed until you've covered. So you should turn this off for you to not notify your people, your network, that you have changed, and unless you have confirmed like everything is fine, you have done every edits, then you should turn it off and notify if you want to notify your network. So let's go ahead and see other things get verified. Remember to include your recognitions and awards if you have one. It makes a more well-rounded profile and process your credibility. Then you should also incorporate a verified certification section if you have. Request recommendation. If you have some people who can recommend you, you can ask recommendation from Arun, you can ask for recommendation from tutors, you can ask recommendation from people that you have worked with, from people you have been engaging with within your career or within your journey. Then take a skill assessment as well. LinkedIn will also help you to give you different skill assessments, add links to relevant sites like blogs and portfolio if you have. To also grow your network, connect with people in your industry, your target company, your fellow trainees, the tutors. You can connect to everyone. Connect to me as well. I'm there. So let's check. Let's have a look. Let's check the challenge. But per se, for now, if you have any question, you can ask, or maybe you can allow questions at the end. Yeah. So let's dive into the career challenge. Amazing. So I hope you can see my screen. Can I confirm? Amazing. Thank you. So this is the career challenge. The due date is 12th Tuesday. That's next Tuesday, November. Then let's go through it and see what it entails. Yeah, here the introduction. Having a professional LinkedIn profile is an essential part in job searching. Your LinkedIn profile allows potential employers and recruiters to gain or to get a wider look at who you are. Of course, as I said, like people will need to know who you are, where you have worked, what you have done, the skills. So the LinkedIn profile will stand as your professional platform for people to come and see who you are, what you have done, and everything. It is often difficult to fit all your work experience, education, and other achievements that you are proud of into a two-page or one-page CV or resume. And having a well-rounded LinkedIn profile will allow you to provide more information about who you are as a person. So you can check the career manual here. I will share. I think you have access to this document. I will share it with you after the call, just to make sure that everyone has it. You can check this one, the career manual, for more details. A disclaimer here: while it is okay for you to provide some personal details, such as your personal and professional goals, our interests, any courses outside your field or study that you might have completed, we and your future employers will still expect a professional profile. This means that you should still clear providing your professional opinions and convictions about religious, political, current events, and so far. So your professional LinkedIn profile checklist should be like this. You can use the career flow, as I said, like to check each and everything, or follow the checklist in order to perfect your creative or your signing up to LinkedIn. Yeah. So LinkedIn profile, please ensure all the following is covered in your LinkedIn profile. As we said above, the name, the headline, the banner, the profile banner, the profile photo should be a professional one, link to your portfolio, a website if you have, address, a contact information. This is like a must for your LinkedIn to be full and for your LinkedIn to be a professional one. You should have all this. This is like a checklist. And then in addition to that, it should be accurate, consistent with CV, your GitHub and Written Academy profile, have all sections complete, easy for machine-led system to review and collect information. Remember, like some employers, they use systems and machines to screen and collect CV. So your profile, your LinkedIn profile should also more easy. You know, Yeah, easy for machine-led systems. It should also magnetic, attract the attention of the right people. Authentic, it's quiet and wise to make your profile read like that of a senior leader when really you don't have those much experience. You should like state your profile as you. So most people, they just put heavy position that they can't even explain, you know, a lot of experience that they don't have. It should more, it should be more authentic. Yeah. Then it should be compelling. The end goal of the fantastic profile is to get the attention of the people, or the proper people, the exact people that you want, and to get them to take some sort of action. Yeah. Going forward here, it should also be current, as we said in the tutorial. Having an updated profile simply means you are telling people, I just don't care. That's it, actually. If you don't have a good and updated LinkedIn profile, just don't care about your career, or don't care about your professional, your online presence. Yeah. Well preferred, a misspelled word or proper formatting will ruin even the best profile. If you put in a lot of efforts to make the profile engaging and relevant, it's only fair that you put in a little extra effort to make sure the layout is gorgeous and there are no embracing spelling issues. Yeah. So the detailed guidance here, if you're here and you don't have a LinkedIn profile yet, if you follow this link within this career challenge, you're gonna be able to open your LinkedIn profile. So upgrading your LinkedIn profile to reflect your personal brand, professional strength. You can send it from here in case you have. Then join now, provide your email, your name and the password, complete the basic setup by adding your location, job title and industry, all the checklist above. Yeah. Here in details, the profile photo and banner, use a clear professional photo and a banner that reflects your industry or personality. With a headline, go beyond your job title by showcasing key skills, what you offer. For example, you can say data analysis, driving insights through data-driven strategies, whatever like that. When it comes to professional summary or the about section, as we saw in the tutorial, the challenge tutorial, here you have to write a compelling, professional, and narrative of your career, achievements, and goals. Add some links to the relevant projects if you have. It should also reflect the 50-word summary in your CV. The first word summary there up there on your CV. It can also include more information like links to your portfolio, medium, and other relevant information. When it comes to experience, what you should know here, you should focus on measurable achievements using the XYZ format. I did X by doing Y, resulting in Z. I did this one, and it brought me to this one, and the result was this one. In that way, in that format. This includes relevant experience, the responsibility, achievements, and tools used should also be added under the experience description in the bullet points. Yeah. So if you have any freelancing or volunteer experience that are relevant but not on your CV, this is your chance. If you have a LinkedIn profile, you can put all that there. You can still add them under experience section of your LinkedIn profile. When it comes to skills and endorsement, ensure your top skills align with your career goals. Ask and give endorsements, as we said in the tutorial. You should ask people endorsements, people to endorse, or people to recommend like your career, people to recommend your skills, people to recommend anything, and people you have worked with in a certain project, people you have been together, maybe in a certain training, or been here like almost, now it's now 11 weeks. So you can ask recommendations or endorsements on certain projects, on certain, it depends, yeah. So when it comes to education and certifications, here you should include formal education, relevant courses, and certifications should appear at the top of the page, the right side next to your name and headings. Coming up to volunteer work and projects, explained here, the highlight transferable skills for volunteer or freelance work and links external project. When it comes to engagement, of course, you should make your profile or maybe your LinkedIn more engaging, stay active by sharing content and engaging with your network, boost visibility and through and thought leadership. Here, what they mean by engaging, maybe you attended any conference, maybe you attended a training, maybe you attended anything. You can engage with people. You can engage people with those contents. I'm proud to this like how we run the LinkedIn. Yeah. Here the reference, we're gonna see the reference here, but before coming up with the reference, showing up you some LinkedIn here as we also go through the challenge and see them for yourself. Here we have Barack Hussein. This one, like the example here, is shows the detailed experience and project. The next one, Abraham Tesfaye. This one shows the professional and tools mentioned in the title. Enoch Tilaye, recent recommendations from past employers. The Lilian Asefa, this one shows experience description in the XYZ format, well structured education section. Then Abel Bekele, this one shows the full completed profile, meeting professional standard. So you should be able to look this after and compare to your profile as well. I think we still together. Amazing. So we're about to go to the end. So with additional recommendation, like what I would recommend you as well, set you should set a clear objective in your summary, clear state your short-term and long-term career goals to align your profile with the type of jobs you are seeking. Then optimize for keywords, research and use industry-specific keywords in your headline, summary, and experience to make your profile more searchable by recruiters. I would also recommend you to track your profile views, regularly monitor who's viewing your profile. Are they maybe the employers? Are they my network? Maybe are they the right people that I'm looking? This will help you to adjust your visibility and content strategy, of course. Then the last but not least, you should also leverage LinkedIn learnings. Add any competent LinkedIn learnings, certifications to your profile to demonstrate continuous learning. So the rubrics here, by the end of this challenge, you will be able, you should have an optimized LinkedIn profile that reflects your professional journey and your future ambitions. Your profile should also meet the following criteria. As we said above, I think I've repeated this more than one. Profile photo and banner image setup, clear and engaging headline, well-written summary or about section, the detailed work experience using the XYZ format. As we said, I did this, use that in this. Then the skills, certifications, and endorsement updated, at least 2 recommendations from colleagues. This should be optional or supervisors. Then projects and volunteer work, if applicable. So far that's it. This is the career challenge. So I open the space for questions. If you have a question, or maybe if you have an addition, you are welcome. Anything, maybe any question? Questions, or maybe a addition or anything. Love to ask. Do we all have LinkedIn profiles? Maybe if you can share, or if there's any question, you share, then we're gonna wrap up. A few. Do we all maybe have our LinkedIn's updated and everything? Okay. Amazing. So this one is due to 12. This is next week, Tuesday. So I hope you guys will work on this. With any question, maybe you can always reach out to me. This is an announcement. In case maybe you want to reach out to anyone, maybe in case you have any question about the career challenge, please reach out to me. It's no longer Margaret. So I'll be doing this on her behalf. So in case you have any question, even the past career challenge, you can address the questions to me. I hope that is clear. Amazing. So I think we will wrap up from here since there's no questions. Means maybe you now understand everything. You understand everything when it comes to LinkedIn, and I hope, of course, you guys have LinkedIn. This is just adding up some more information just in case you didn't know. So let's work on our LinkedIn profiles. Let's update if we didn't have updated ones. If we didn't have LinkedIn profiles open, please let's follow the guidelines and the challenge, then we have one. See you then. See you on Tuesday. Thank you so much, and have a good evening ahead.